Nice thing about those two-stroke engines, you always know where your kids are. Got a good deal on it, a real. If you guys will help me unload, and then you guys, I'll fill you up with gas, and you guys can go bonkers, okay?
So can I?
There we go.
Oh no.
Can I get a more? There goes the boys. Little boys are getting old enough to go do stuff on their own. Think about those two-stroke engines, you always know where your kids are. I've been listening carefully to how they drive, and they're just driving very slowly and calmly, and I'm very proud of them for that. Oh, they look so grown up.